Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever wondered how to start your journey in data analytics using Excel, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the top 5 key areas you should focus on as a data analyst. By the end of this video, you have a clear roadmap, practical steps, and hands-on example that will help you build real data analytics skills using Excel. So grab your laptop, open your Excel, let's dive in. There are 5 key areas every beginner must master in Excel. Number 1 is Power Query, the data cleaning and automation tool. Think of Power Query as your personal cleaning assistant. It helps you extract data from different sources, transform it by cleaning, reshaping, and combining it, and then load it back into Excel. This process is often called ETL, extract, transform, and load. So here's a quick demo on how to open Power Query, load the data into Power Query, perform the extract, transform, and load the data back to Excel. Go to Data, go to Get Data, go to Launch Power Query Editor. Come to Home, come to New Source, come to File, and then click Excel Workbook. Locate the data and click Import. In this particular example, we just take 2 of the data sets. We use the product and the sales table. Check the box here that says Select Multiple, pick on Product, pick on Sales, click OK. Come to the Products table. Now let's do some cleaning and transformation. The product ID, we convert it to text, replace current. The product name, we have from product number 1 to product number 9. And the product category, we have food here, food here. That means there's an extra space we need to trim, and then we have electronic and electronics. Right click the table here, come to transform, and then say trim. If we check it again, we have food, electronics and electronic. Right click here, and we say replace value. We spell the electronic the way it is written. Power Query is case sensitive. Electronics, come to the advanced option, we say match entire cell content, and we click OK. If we check, we have just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 categories. The unit price should be in currency, so we change the data type to currency. We check the amount, that is okay. The supplier name, it's not really important for this analysis. We can as well remove that particular column. Then we come to the sales table, change the primary key here in the sales ID to text. The date format is okay. Change all the IDs to text. The branch ID, we change it to text. The product ID, we change it to text. The customer ID, we just change it to text. The employee ID, we change it to text. And the quantity sold, we leave it as whole numbers. Come here, we check that there is no error. It's from 1 to 20. We're through with the cleaning and the transformation. Now we load this back to Excel. Come to Home, click Close and Load, and this will load the data back to Excel. Power Query is a powerful tool in Excel. One of the things is, instead of cleaning data manually every time, you can use Power Query to automate that process. The next tool you should focus on in Excel is how to use Power Pivot. Power Pivot is a data modeling tool. Now don't confuse this with the regular pivot table. A pivot table is great for summarizing a single data set, but Power Pivot goes a step further. It allows you to create a model by combining multiple data sets, linking them with relationships, and allowing you to analyze them together. Here's how to start. First, you need to activate Power Pivot. So come to Excel, come to File, come to Options, click Add-ins. In Manage, change the selection to COM Add-ins and click Go. In the COM Add-ins box, enable Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel and click OK. This will automatically create an extra button here called Power Pivot. If you have it activated already, very good. Once activated, you can load multiple tables into the data model. This is how to do it. Click on any of the tables. Let's start with the sales table. Then go to Power Pivot. Then click Add to Data Model. Good. Click the products table. Select any of the data points. Click Add to Data Model. With this, we have the sales table and the products table in Power Pivot. Next, you create relationship. You link the sales table with the products table using the product ID. In Home, come to Diagram View. This is the sales table. This is the products table. We have the product ID here. We have the product ID here. The direction does not matter. We can go from sales to product or product to sales. Drag the product ID from the sales table to the product ID in the products table. It must drop directly on top of it. To save this, click on refresh. Refresh all is a success, and then we close our Power Pivots. We have created the data model. Next, we'll create the pivot tables directly from the data model. Come to the transaction table, that is sales. Come to Insert, click on the drop down where we have pivot table and select from data model. Choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. Let's select new worksheet, and then we click OK. We have this as our model. We have the products table, and we have the items from the products table, and we also have the sales table. We have the items from our sales table. This makes Excel work like a mini database. Some of the things you can do in SQL, you can now carry them out using Excel. The third tool you need to focus on is called DAX, Data Analysis Expressions. DAX is the formula language used in Power Pivot. It's what allows you to perform calculations that go far beyond regular Excel formulas. As a beginner, start with these basic DAX formulas. 1. Sum helps you to add values. 2. Average to find the mean. 3. Count to count rows. 4. Distinct count to count unique values in a row. 5. Minimum to find the lowest value. 6. Maximum to find the highest value. Then you can step up with advanced DAX formulas like calculate, the most powerful DAX function. Filter to apply custom filters in calculation. All to ignore filters and return totals. Related to pull values from a related table. Date year to date to calculate year to date values. In Excel, you can write DAX formulas directly on the model in the pivot table. These formulas unlock the full analytical power of your data. For this example, we'll answer some basic questions. 1. What is the total revenue? We have the unit price in the product table and we have the quantity sold in the sales table. The unit price multiplied by the quantity sold will give us the amount. When we sum these amounts, we'll have the total revenue. We use the SUMX function because we want to go row by row. Right-click the sales table and select Add Measure. This is how to write DAX in Excel. Come to the measure name, we'll call it total revenue, and we'll come to the DAX part. We use the SUMX function, and the SUMX, the first thing is to ask you for the table. The parent table we want to work with is the sales table. Pick the sales table. In the sales table, we're looking for the quantity sold multiplied by the unit price. We have the unit price in the product table. Call the function related first. So related means I want to get data from another table, and we're looking for unit price in the table called products, and we close the bracket once, we close it twice, just to check that we're correct. Click the check DAX formula box, and we have the green here means it's correct. We want this to come out as currency. We want to keep it in Naira. Click here, look for Naira. So we can select English Nigerian Naira. We can leave the decimal place at 0 and then click OK. When we come down here in the sales table, we now see FX. FX means explicit DAX created by you. Then drag this to the value options. So we have the total revenue for the period to be 13,845,266,050. That's the total sales. Question number 2, the client wants to know what is the average quantity sold per order. Come to the sales table or measure, we can say average quantity per order. Come here and then we simply say average, and we bring the quantity sold from the sales table. Just double click and we close the brackets. You can check this. Since it's numbers, we can use whole numbers. Since we're talking about items, use whole numbers, turn on the 1000 separator, and we click OK. If we drag this down here, it gives us that the average quantity per order is 10. Hi, my name is Etuk, and I'm a data analytics coach. If you're thinking of switching into tech, or you're a business owner and you always rely on your team submitting reports periodically, or you're leading a team and you're thinking of how to improve your reporting, or you're a data analyst and you want to move your skill forward, then just give me 1 minute of your time. 2 months ago, one of the top companies in Nigeria brought their data set that I should analyze. This data set involved account statements from 4 different banks covering a period of 3 years. The company, they have 10 branches spread across different states. Now, the task they wanted me to work on was to create a predictive model. I solved this problem within 3 hours. I got paid, and from there got a retainership with this particular company. Later, I shared a mock-up of this data with members of my team and students in my class, and we discovered how important it is as a data analyst to know how to combine multiple data sets and how to create predictive models. So this is where you come in. I've decided to take this data and a mock-up of 3 other data sets from companies that I've worked with both in Nigeria and internationally to create a virtual class. Now, this class will hold for a period of 8 weeks, weekends, Saturday and Sunday only, and the class will hold online via Zoom. I'm inviting you to join me in that class. I'll take you from the beginning of what it is to be a data analyst up to the point where you get certified. This is one class I'm very excited about, and I want you to join me in this class. You can check any of the social platforms. Just check Etuk. You'll see my other projects. So I want to encourage you to take a step right now. Click the link to register or send the word interested to the WhatsApp number showing on the screen. I'll see you in class. Thank you. The number 4 thing you need to learn how to do is to build Power Visuals, that is creating dashboards and charts. Here's what you can do. Start with basic charts like column charts, line charts, or pie charts. Then enhance them. You can use table labels, conditional formatting, slicers, and timelines to make your visuals more interactive. Group multiple charts together in one sheet to create a dashboard. Yes, in this class, we will not create a full dashboard, but we'll just create a simple visual, and then we'll see how we can customize it. Remember, the goal isn't just to show numbers, but to tell a story with the data. Come back to our example. Which category has the highest total sales? To do that, we can simply copy this and paste here. Then we take off the average order. We come to the product table, drag the category to rows. It gives us the different categories. We can sort this, right click, and then sort this from the highest to the lowest, and we represent this in a visual using a clustered column chart. So what we can do to this chart to make it look really presentable, hide these buttons, right click and say hide all field buttons on chart. Click on this and remove this axis. We remove this data label, call this total revenue by category. You can right click on any of the visuals and we turn on data labels. So we have the data labels. It's not looking really interesting, so let's format it. Right click on any of the data labels, go to format data labels, then scroll down to where you have number. In the general, just type the code hash comma hash hash 0.0 2 commas, then in quotes just put M there and then say add. It will format it to look this way. You can also click here and remove the grid line that appears this way. From this you can see that electronics generated the highest revenue. We get to the fifth thing you need to learn in Excel, which is statistics. Statistics is the backbone of data analytics. You don't need to be a math genius, but you should understand the basics. This is how to activate the statistics tool pack in Excel. Come to File, come to Options, come to Add-ins, select Excel Add-ins, then click Go. In the Add-ins, check the box that says Enable Analysis Toolpack. Click OK. Now, when you come to data, you have data analysis activated. Once enabled, you find powerful tools under the data analytics button in the data tab. For example, you can run correlation analysis to see how two variables are related, or run descriptive statistics to check for averages, mean, modes, median, or even standard deviation. Let's take a practical case. In this particular data, the client wants a descriptive statistics in terms of the quantity sold. Come to data analysis. We want to run descriptive statistics. So just check descriptive statistics, click OK. It's asking us for the input range. Click here and then we select this range where we have the quantity sold. The column is grouped by the column labeled in first row. Yes, there is a quantity sold, so we check this box. We want it to be on a new worksheet. Check the box here that says summary statistics and click OK. It will open a new worksheet and we can see the summary statistics for that data. The mean is more like the average, which is 10.4. The median is the middle number when the numbers they are arranged either in ascending or descending order. The mode is the number with the highest frequency. You can see that we can run descriptive statistics from the data easily with just one click. This gives you statistical insights without need for complicated software. If you learn and practice this, you'll be on your way to becoming a skilled data analyst, even if you're starting from the scratch. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, or share with somebody that will also get value from it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.